Today is Monday, September 17th. This is the 1967 force button cluster switch that my friend Jim Ballard sent me from Washington, and I'm doing an evaluation, and I've got it connected under power to check continuity. I've already determined that the right rear window is not functioning, but I'll go ahead and do a functional validation test. And right now I'm connected to the front driver side, and that's the up, and the down works partially but sporadically. Front driver's window. Now we'll go to the passenger side front. That goes up, and now we'll go down, and the down works, so the passenger side works. Now we'll go back to the driver's side rear, up, down, and now we'll go to the passenger side rear, and the up fails and the down fails. So we've got a non-functioning right rear, and we've got a partially sporadically functioning right front, which works most of the time. Okay, let's just check the front driver, since that's the most critical of all. Front driver goes up, and front driver sporadically goes down. Okay, so I'll be doing either a full level 5 restoration of this one, or sending him one of my previously restored core units. This is George in Florida. I have over 70,000 original 1967 to 1970 parts, and I rebuild all of the electrical cluster switches and single switches, as well as the steering columns, the steering wheels, the power antennas, and the power seat mechanisms. Thank you very kindly.